I've never taken a bad picture, ever. Obviously not. I mean, we all take bad photos sometimes. But I don't. I do. I do. By the way, this episode is inspired by a recent episode by a photographer who I admire and follow on YouTube, who goes by the name of Manny Ortiz. He's an American portrait photographer, and he recently published an episode titled All Photographers Take Bad Photos. And I agree with him 100%. And it made me actually think, okay, well, I mean, so we all take bad pictures, but how are we perceived then? How does the public view our work? Well, based on our portfolios. So let's say if I open up a website and I publish 10 amazing photos, a person who doesn't know me, I mean, someone from the public, a potential client, would open up my website, will look at those 10 pictures, and will say, okay, well, yeah, he's a great photographer, I'm hiring him. But what, so yeah, I mean, that is totally fine, because that's exactly what we all do. But the question is Zaki really that great of a photographer? I mean, is he as good as the photos that he's shared? The answer here comes in consistency. That's the key word. If I have the consistency to pull off at least 50% or 70% of the quality I presented in my portfolio, then yeah, I mean, well, I can, kind of pull it off. I can, deliver, probably. Not, of course, on the same quality as what you'd see in a portfolio, maybe, but still, good enough to meet the demands of my clients. However, if I'm one of those guys who captures one great image in every 20,000 photos taken, then that's a problem. And my portfolio is just simply not reflective of the kind of photographer that I am. And I would actually get myself in trouble if I don't improve my hit rate and my consistency when it comes to photographing for clients and for other people. I guess, okay, that's it for today. I just wanted to highlight the importance of, having a great portfolio, but also backing it up with consistent performance and knowledge and experience. Hope this episode was of value to you, and hope to see you soon in the future. Have a good day. Cheers.